Yes. Yes. Yeah. Morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes.
Morning,
Yep,
sir. Your
it's clear
voice,
and
sir, is
visible.
visible.
Okay. Yeah. So just I'll take 2 minutes what we discussed in the last class. We had an introductory session in the last class, right? So Python was introduced in the year 1989. Why all of a sudden Python is suddenly super popular? Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. Python has, right? Python has very less coding. Most of the programmers or developers are attracted towards Python because of its very less coding. Secondly, like simple syntaxes given by Python, which looks like normal English statements. Multi-programming features it has got. What all the programming features we see in different other programming languages. All the features we see here in Python. Interactive mode. Interactive mode given by Python. Very less coding, simple syntaxes, multi-programming features, interactive mode, wide varieties of applications, wide varieties of applications, many built-in libraries, many built-in libraries, like 89,300 inbuilt modules Python has got, right? Yes. And we call Python as a general purpose programming. Is not for a particular purpose, it is for all the purposes. General purpose programming language. We call Python is a high level language, easily understandable. It's platform independent or machine independent. It can run on all the hardwares and all the operating system. It is interpreted language, line by line execution. Line by line execution, right? Which makes debugging easy. Supports all databases. Extensible. Programmer friendly programming. User friendly or programmer friendly programming. So these are the reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. So these are the reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular, right? Yes. Yes. Now, before you go, right, you need to know something about Python Software Foundation. What is Python Software PSF? PSF means Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation, PSF. It is a non-profit organization. It is a non-profit organization devoted towards devoted towards Python community. It is a non-profit organization devoted towards Python community. It was launched in the year 2001. The main objective of this Python Software Foundation, right, to foster the development of Python. Development of Python from version to version. To foster the development of Python. In the year 2005, Python Software Foundation received Computer World Horizon Award. Computer World Horizon Award. The president for this Python Software Foundation, the president, right? Yes. Guido van Rossum. The same personality who introduced Python, the same is the president for this Python Software Foundation. The main headquarters, right, in Delaware, US. And official website for Python. Official website, right? Python.org. This is the official website from where we can download Python, from where we can see the documentation for each and every Python release. Okay. Next is Python versions. Before we go with Python installation, you need to know something about the Python versions. Python 1.x version. It was released in the year 1989. Python 2.x version, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. It was released in the year 2000. The version what we are using currently is the 3 version, 3.x. The first 3 version was released in the year 2008. So the latest version of Python, Python 3.13. Stable version of Python. Python 3.12. Stable version, not nothing but simply we can say like mostly used version. So this is the version Python 3.13, that is the version which we are going to install it, right? So Python 3.13 is the version which we are going to install, download and install it, right? Yes. Python installation, right? Yes. Okay. So Python installation. So before I go with the installation, right? Yes, I'll go to the starts, apps, apps and features. Yes. Now I'm scrolled down, right? Python 3.13. This is the latest version, right? I'm uninstalling it. I'll show you from that ground level, from the starting onwards, how to download Python, how to install Python. I'm just uninstalling it from my system and I'll show you again, right? So Python provides different softwares for different environments. For Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS, right? For Linux, no need of any installation. By default, Python comes as inbuilt along with Linux OS. So we don't need to install anything separately. But for Windows and for Mac OS, we need to separately download and install. For Windows, again, Python is providing two softwares. For Windows 32-bit, for Windows 64-bit. For 32-bit, a separate software, and for 64-bit, a separate software, Python is providing. Okay. How will you check whether your Windows is a 32-bit or 64-bit? How will you check whether your Windows is a 32-bit or 64-bit? Right. So let the uninstallation go. Right. I'm minimizing it. At the bottom, go to the File Explorer. Right. Go to the File Explorer. You can right click on this PC, right click on this PC and say Properties. In the right click on this PC and say Properties. And you can see, scroll down, right? What it is saying? 64-bit operating system. 64-bit operating system. Yes. If you're using older version, if you're using older version of Windows like Windows 7 or Windows 8, it is what 32-bit. You're supposed to download 32-bit Python software. Now it is 64-bit, right? So you're supposed to download 64-bit Python software. Check it. Uninstallation was successful. I'm closing it. Now I'll show you the download process, right? Yes, how to download. From where you need to download Python. What is the official website I said? What is the official website? Right. Python.org, right? Python.org is the official website from where you can download Python. You can download and see the documentation of Python for each and every release. So if you want to do parallelly along with me, you can do it along with me parallelly, everyone, the installation of Python. Yes. Anyone doing parallelly along with me? Say yes in the chat.
Yes, I'm doing.
Anyone? Just say yes in the chat. Okay. Okay. So go to this python.org website. Everyone, you can just log into, just go to the python.org website. Within that, you can see downloads. Go for all releases. Just go for all releases. Once you click all releases, scroll down to the bottom. You can see active Python releases. Don't go for it. Now, looking for a specific release. Looking for a specific release. This is the latest version. August 14, 2025, it was released. Almost like 25 days ago, it was released. You can see all the Python versions from the last 20 years. So from the last 20 years, what all the Python versions since from June 2001 onwards. June 2001 onwards. 3.13.7, right? Yes. Click on this Python 3.13.7. Yes, Python 3.13.7. Yes. Scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom. Everyone are able to see the files? Try to respond. Are you able to see the files?
Yes, sir.
In that, if you've got a Mac OS, you can go with Mac OS 64-bit universal installer. And for Windows, you can select Windows 32 or 64. I think most of Windows installer 64-bit. Windows installer 64-bit. Click on that, your download will start. See, download started. It is just 27
Sir,
MB
you
of
clicked on which one, sir? You clicked on which one?
Windows installer 64-bit.
Okay.
Windows installer 64-bit. My download is completed. Click on that exe file. So click on this Windows installer 64-bit. Your download started. Go to the downloads folder and click the exe file. You will get this window. Just 27 MB of size. Hardly it takes 1 minute for installing Python. 1 minute for downloading Python, or less than 1 minute for downloading, less than 1 minute for installing. Everyone got this window? After downloading, if you click the exe file, have you got this window?
Yes, got that window. But the below options it is showing use admin privilege when installing py.exe.
Sir, actually, not getting that actually from the start. I clicked on download, sir. And after that, I clicked on Windows. And I clicked on Python, latest Python release 3. That I have to click, right?
So this
Looking.
Python.org downloads
Hmm.
all releases. In that all
Okay.
releases, you can scroll down,
Okay.
just looking for a specific release.
Yeah,
Look,
I got it.
3.13.7, you can click it.
Okay.
After that, you can scroll down and select Files, Windows Installer 64-bit. Windows Installer 64-bit. When you click on it, automatically your download will start.
Yeah, download it, sir.
After downloaded, click that exe file, go to the downloads folder and click that. Click once. Everyone should get this window. Yes, got this window, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
So immediately don't go for the installation. At the bottom, it is asking add Python to path. It is asking add Python to path, right? Select it. If you are not selecting it, your Python won't be recognized. Or you need to set the path manually. Select it, add Python to path.
Yes, selected.
Sir, I got a other option use admin privilege when installing py.exe. Is that
Same
do I
yes.
need to select?
So basically there are two options. The first one use admin privilege when installing pi.exe and the second option is add python.exe to path.
Add python.exe to path.
Yeah, that has been selected.
That you select it.
Yes.
And go for customize installation, everyone. Go for customize installation, right?
Hmm. Yes. There all the checkbox has been checked.
So all the things which are required already checked, no need to select anything. Already they are checked. Everyone can see the documentation of Python, pip
So
preferred
what
install.
about py launcher below last two options?
Only
Yeah,
only these are enough. Just select these four options. Already they are
yeah.
selected.
Actually,
Ideally,
sir, we are getting some different, options like
see that
document. Yeah,
documentation is there, pip is there, ideally and test suite. Everyone got selected this four.
yes,
Next,
Yes.
just say next. Say just say next for one time. And can you see these two create shortcuts for installation applications is selected.
yeah, that is
Add
selected.
Python to environment variables is selected. Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, select those two. And it is asking for the installation location. What is the location it is showing you? In C, in users, in Dell, in app data, in local, in programs, in Python 3.13, where it is getting installed. So it is a very big path. Tomorrow, if you want to locate Python where it got installed, you need to enter into all these subdirectories. It is a very big path. So, but I doesn't want to install in this path. I just want to remove, just to keep, I want to keep your mouse before this Python 313. At the last, you can see, keep your mouse before this Python 313
Mhm.
and just remove this path. I'm removing all this path. So I want to install Python in C drive. C:/Python 313 means within Python 313, within this Python means what is Python 313? Python 3.13 version. So a folder with this name Python 313, a folder is going to be created with that name under C drive. Within this Python 313, your Python is going to be installed. Everyone given this path like this
Yes.
Yes.
in C drive / Python. Just to say install, hardly it takes 30 seconds to install. Now say install now.
Yes. It is saying setup was successful.
Okay, almost done with the installation. Just a second. Everyone got this setup was successful? Yes. Everyone
Yes.
respond setup was
Yes,
successful.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Once it was showing you setup was successful, just close it. Close option is there. Close it. Now let us check whether it is properly installed or not. So at the bottom search panel, at the bottom search, type CMD and say enter. Type CMD and say enter. You got this command prompt in this book. Just say CMD and press enter.
Mm-hmm.
You got this command prompt. Just type a Python. Just type Python. Python has to be recognized from anywhere within your system. So the version what we have installed, it has to display and the Python interpreter has to be open.
Yeah,
Yeah, it
it
is
is
showing.
showing 3.1, 3.7.
Yeah. Yes, for everyone, is it showing Python 3.1, 3.7? And can you see these three arrow symbols, everyone?
Yep.
Everyone are able to see the three arrow symbols?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, just type any valid Python statements and interact with it. So I'm saying from 3 plus 5. I'm asking Python, what is 3 plus 5? Saying it. 22 into 44, I'm asking it. Any valid Python statements you can type and check whether it is giving response or not. Python supports interactive mode, I said. Now, x value is 10. Y value is x value is 10, y value is 4. What is x? What is y? I'm asking. What is x plus y value? What is x minus y value? X into y value. X by y value. X into 2. 10 into 2. X square, 10 square. A equal to Ajay. B equal to Kumar. A plus B. Ajay Kumar, right? Adding these two. X equal to hello. X into 3. Prints hello for 3 times. X into 5. Prints hello for 5 times. Is it working fine for everyone? Is it giving you the response or not?
Yes, it is giving.
Yes, sir.
So this is what interactive mode. Python gives response for each and every statement you type. This is called interactive mode. This kind of interaction you won't see in other programming languages. Okay, now I'm closing this, right? Now coming back, yes, this is what installation of Python. And if you want to install the latest version of Python in your Linux machine. So for Linux, I said there is no need of any installation, but if you want the latest version to be installed, right? So everything you do from the root user, apt, you can use this command, apt-get install Python 3.13. So this command will automatically downloads and installs Python into your local machine. This command will automatically downloads and installs Python into your local machine.
When we need to use this, sir, sudo apt get installed.
People who are working in Linux environment,
Okay.
for Linux environment, right? If you want the Python to be installed, latest version of Python. Okay. This is for people who are going to work with Python in Linux environment. Yes, the latest version of Python to be installed in your Linux machine. This command is enough, automatically downloads and installs Python into your Linux machine. Now, next is Python execution modes. Python execution modes. Two modes of execution. Two modes of execution. One is interactive mode and next is batch mode. Interactive mode means just now I showed you, right? We can easily interact with Python statement by statement. Second is batch mode. two modes, right? One is interactive mode, second is batch mode. Interactive mode, here we directly type Python statements. Here we directly type Python statements on the interpreter. We directly type Python statements on the interpreter, and the user easily interact with the Python. We directly type Python statements on the interpreter, and the user can easily interact with Python statement by statement. And the user can easily interact with Python statement by statement. Advantage. What is the advantage of this interactive mode? If it doesn't know about any Python functionality, you can type and check what output it is going to provide. Based on that, you can easily analyze what is it for. So to test the functionalities of Python, and to learn Python and to learn Python. As a beginner, as a learner, this interactive mode works better, right? For learning Python and for developing applications in Python, this interactive mode won't work. We need to go for batch mode. In the case of batch mode, right, we write batch of statements. Here we write a set of statements or batch of statements within the editors or IDEs, and save it by using .py extension, and later submitting to Python. We write set of statements within the editors or IDEs and save it by using .py extension and later submitting to Python. Okay. We write .py file and later submit to Python. So what are the various editors and what are the various IDEs? IDE means integrated development environment. In real time we use IDEs. So what are the various editors where we can write the Python code? Various editors. So within the notepad you can write. Within the notepad, yes. Notepad, edit plus VI nano. So notepad, edit plus VI and nano. These first two are for Windows environment. These two are for Linux environment. These two are for Windows. These two are for Linux environment. So we can write we can write Python code within this notepad and create a .py file within the edit plus for Linux using VA and Nano. And what are the various IDEs? Various IDEs, right? PyCharm, PyDev, Komodo, Spider, Eclipse, PyCharm, PyDev, Komodo, Spider, Eclipse, NetBeans. So these are the various IDs supported by Python. You may ask why these many IDs for Python? Why not one or two? Python is used for different environments. The different environments use different IDs. Yes. For example, data science use Jupyter Notebook, Spider. Big data environment also use Jupyter Notebook and Spider. For typical web applications, PyCharm is mostly preferred. VS Code is preferred. In this way, different environments uses different IDEs. So I'll be discussing not on a single ID I'll be discussing with multiple IDs, right? How to download, how to install these things, and how to write the code and execute the code within these IDEs. Among all this, the mostly used one is PyCharm. Is the mostly used IDE. Okay. So I'll discuss about these things later once we are done with a little bit of technical content. Right. Now, developing the first Python application. Developing the first Python application within a editor, like example, notepad within the open notepad and type the following Python statements. Open notepad and type the following Python statements. So we didn't discuss anything related to Python. So just I'll take two values like x as 10, y as 20. And I want to perform some kind of arithmetic operations. X plus y, x minus y, x into y, x by y. So if you want to do parallelly also, you can do it parallelly, from how to developing the first Python application. Just open one notepad and type this code, everyone. Print x by y. So just open notepad and type the following statements. Just I'm copying this to a separate notepad. Right. I have opened a notepad and just pasting the code in this. And here, save it, file, save. Create one folder in your C drive, right? Already I created a folder in the C drive. Yes, everyone create a folder, right? And within the folder, I'll save that. So Python 6 a.m. batch. In Python 6 a.m. batch, I'm saving it. With what name? Sample1.py. Sample1.py. So I'm saving with what name? Sample1.py extension. Save it. So just defining these two and x plus 5, x minus 5, x into y and x by y. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, just we have written this code in a notepad and save it as sample, any name with .py extension. Yes, just I'm writing here what I did. So save as sample1.py and now submit this file. And now submit this file to Python. How we are going to submit this? Means now once you created this file, right? Now at the bottom search panel, type CMD and press enter. Now you got this command prompt. Now you got to this command prompt. Within this command prompt, type Python. Don't say enter. If you say enter, again it will go to interactive mode. I doesn't want interactive mode. So specify the path. Okay, in C drive, where is your for Python 6 a.m. batch? Python 6 a.m. batch in C drive. Within that Python 6 a.m. batch, within that the file name. What is your file name? Sample1.py. So specify the entire path where your file is present. Okay, the drive name, the folder name, and the file name. Specify the entire path to Python and say enter. It gives the result. It gives the output. 10 plus 20, 10 minus 20, 10 into 20, 10 by 20. Got this output, everyone? Hello? Yes. If you're doing
Yes.
parallelly.
Yes.
So just to specify the entire path, Python file path. Yes. So, okay. What is that? How to submit? Just type Control C. Just type Python and specify the entire Python entire file path. The C Python 6 a.m. sample1.py. Yes. Now, what is your observation here? Here, if you observe carefully here, we are writing the code. We are writing the code at one place. Means within the notepad you are writing and executing at the other place and executing at the other place. Where you are executing within the command prompt. But to write and execute at the same place. We have IDLE. We have IDLE. Which comes along with Python installation. Which comes along with Python installation, using which comes along with Python installation, using which we can write and execute at the same place. Understand here, what is this IDLE? Integrated Development Learning Environment. Here we can write and execute at the same place. How to open this ideally? How to open this ideally and how to write and execute at the same place? I'll take the same code. Everyone, copy the same code. Copy the same code. Yes. Means go to that notepad and copy that. Go to the notepad and copy the same code. How to open this ideally means everyone in the bottom search panel type IDLE. Have you got this IDLE Python 3.13? Everyone. Whenever you type IDLE, have you got IDLE Python 3.13? Say yes or no.
Yes, yes.
Click on that. Click on that. You got this Python shell Python 3.13. You got this Python 3.13, right? Yes.
Yes.
And here, if you want to work with interactive mode, you can work with interactive mode. 3 plus 2. Or I doesn't want to work with interactive mode. I want to work with batch mode. File, new file, you can say. File, new file. You got this, right? Okay. Paste your code here or write your code here. Write your code here. And after writing the code here, you can run here. But before running it, first save your file. Save your file. Where in the C drive, Python 6 AM batch. Save where you want to save the folder that you created. In that I save all my Python files. Sample2.py, I saved it. So write your code and say Control S for saving. Just Control S, or you can say file save, Control S. Say Control S for saving. First save your file. Later you can see run option here. Run option, run module. Ten plus 20, 10 minus 20, 10 into 20, 10 by 20. Once again, you can write the code here itself. This
Sir,
run option.
sorry to interrupt. Do we need to save this notepad anywhere, like where we need, or any
Yes,
specific location?
we need to save, file save. Anywhere you can save. But I created a separate folder. In that folder, I'm saving all this .py files.
Okay, sir.
Save it, save it. After saving only, you can run it. Without saving, we cannot. So run, we'll say 10 plus 20, 10 minus 20, 10 into 20, 10 by 20. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? Understood? Everyone got this result? Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Understood, right? So
Yes.
okay. So today just we are discussing about Python and reasons which makes it super popular, Python software foundation, Python versions, Python installation, Python execution modes, interactive mode, batch mode, various editors and various IDs, developing the first Python application within this notepad and within this IDLE. Anyone facing an issue? Yes. Got any errors like?
So, actually, just
Sir, for the notepad, please go
yes.
above, sir.
So for not for say write the code that you showed in Notepad, I given the path, but somehow it is saying that the file is not found.
See, don't give any, while creating the folder, don't give any spaces in the folder name. Go and rename the folder. Don't
Okay.
give any spaces for your folder. Go and rename your folder.
So is the name allowed dot or slash something like this? Just-
Sir, can you just show me this after the developing the first Python application within the editor, note example notepad?
Mm.
So after that, what steps that you followed? Like,
Yes, in the bottom, after writing this code in the notepad and create a .py file, right? Any name sample1.py, I've saved it. After that, at the bottom search panel, type CMD. Type
okay.
CMD and press enter. Command prompt you will get like this. After getting the command prompt, type Python. And within this Python, where in which drive you have saved it, in C drive means C drive, colon, slash. Folder name, what is your folder name? Python, my folder name is Python 6 AM batch. No spaces. And the file name. What is the file name I have given? Sample1.py. Hit enter. Say enter. You get the output. 10 plus 20, 10 minus 20, 10 into 20, right? The folder name should be correct. Don't give any spaces in the folder name, a single word. Sample1.py. See that file name is given correctly in which drive you have saved it. So Python space. Now got it everyone, right?
Sir, I have a one doubt.
Hmm.
In ideally, we didn't provide the path
In ideally,
automatically.
no need to provide the path. In ideally, directly we can write at the same place and execute at the same place. Here, we are writing at one place,
Yeah,
we are executing at one place.
yeah, but in ideally also, I saved that file in different path where I installed in.
In
Uh,
ideally, you can write your code, save anywhere you save, not a problem. Just
okay,
run it, you will get the output.
okay, okay, got it. Now I
Writing
understand.
here itself, yes. In ideally, writing here itself, executing also here itself. No need to use the path. Run it, you will get the output. Understood?
So I'm
Yep.
still getting the error. Can I share if
Yes,
possible?
share the screen, right?
Okay. Let me check where. Okay.
So, okay, tomorrow we'll be entering into the programming part. We'll just installation and execution modes.
Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Show me your folder in C drive. In C drive,
Okay.
what is the folder name? Python DurgaSoft. Open your folder, open it. Sample.py. What is the name? Sample.py.
Okay. I'm
Now,
copying this.
Go to your command prompt.
Yes. Okay. This is my command prompt. So what
Yes.
I'm typing Python and pasting
C
that and
and
then
slash
sam
sample.py.
py. And when I'm entering, it is saying that it's showing some error. No such file or directory.
Can you close that file which you opened?
Type Python there first. Type
Sorry?
Python. Okay.
Python.
Sample.py. Say first
Okay,
whether
Just
Python.
type Python. Type Python.
Hmm.
Yeah, enter, enter.
Enter this once.
Remove that space and enter. Okay, it's
Okay.
installed.
Quit you say quit QIT quit function. Okay. Otherwise, do one thing. Another way, if anyone facing this kind of issue, right? CD backslash, you say CD backslash, no space. Okay. come out of this users also. Come out of that entire path by saying cd. Okay. Cd slash you say cd no space.
Yeah, so currently I'm in C here.
Change cd
Hmm.
change your directory to
C colon.
no, already in C. Change your directory to Python DurgaSoft. You can say Python DurgaSoft. No need of slash. No need of.
Wait, hold on. In a above command, you after C colon you give 2 slashes. You can
Now, in Python DurgaSoft, your file is available, right? So,
Yes.
no, 1 second. Sample.py, right? Yeah. Now we say Python
Hmm.
space sample.py. Enter.
I think the extension of the file is sample.py.txt.
txt. Yeah, the file it is showing txt. Can you open your file once?
Go and open your file. Yes.
Okay.
Open the
You
file.
can see the type is a text document.
Text document is not a Python file.
Okay.
See, whenever
Can you open
that file.
open a notepad?
Open
a
it.
notepad.
Open it. File save as you say. Open it and say file save as you say. Save as. And here
Okay.
sample 1.py you say.
Okay, sample.
1.py.
Hmm.
Save it.
But do we need
No,
to
still
save?
it is a text document.
Otherwise you
need to
go you give in double
Go-
quote.
Save it as select all files there.
Hmm.
All files.
Yeah, now
Save
save
it. Save it.
So now go to that path again once again.
Now go to your
Hmm.
a command prompt.
Yeah.
That is
Now try it. Now try it.
Now you
It will
can
work.
see the type. Can you see the type there?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you see the
Type
type?
is
It's
py
Python
file.
Type
file.
py
PY
file.
file now. Previously it was text file.
Correct. Okay.
So it should be Python file, right? Or it's
Oh,
py.
Now you say up arrow you click. Up arrow you can click. Otherwise
no.
Python sample.
Up arrow on keyboard.
Okay.
Up arrow in the keyboard. Otherwise open a separate command prompt.
Okay. Let me
Exit this command prompt and
Extract this and open a command prompt. And just say Python, type Python and give the path. C drive colon Python // sample
sample one dot.
py.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So while
Okay.
saving it, save with all files, not like text file. So see that
Okay.
a .py file is created. Okay. So in this way, you can just work with it. Okay, you can see in the chart a big message is given by this online team. Stop sharing the screen. Right.
Okay.
Okay. You can see a big message given by this online team. Right. You can check with that. So tomorrow also everyone can attend the session. We'll see some programming part tomorrow. So, but from day after tomorrow, the link will be changing. You are supposed to get enrolled for getting the notes. So whatever the notes I'm typing, right, you will be getting the notes in a clear format. This entire notes, whatever I typed here, I'll be forwarding this, and you'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive. And from day after tomorrow, you'll be added to a WhatsApp group. Fine. You can just go through, have a look on this course content once. Yes. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue more discussion. Any other queries you got, anyone? Right.
Sir, where we can get this 3 days recording?
Video recording you are saying?
So these classes recording for these 3 days, last 3 days.
We
Is
can
there
see
any link, sir? Actually, we joined today, so I
one
want
second.
to.
1 second. 1 second. See the Zoom. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. Just you will be okay. 1 second. Hold on for a second. If anyone, if you are new to this today, you are attending, so you will get the demo video link. Just in the Zoom chat, they'll paste now. Okay. Tomorrow, same time at 6 o'clock, using the same link, you can attend the session to see more
Yeah.
discussion on.
Sir, I have
Yeah.
one question regarding the, not related to this one. Okay. I would like to go with, Python, Spark, then Databricks. So you are going to take care of all these three or someone from your team?
Python, everything I will take care.
Spark and Databricks, Azure
Yes.
Data.
So today, Azure Databricks, today there is a batch at evening 7 p.m. Python, that
Okay.
is Azure Data Engineering, which includes Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, PySpark, Azure Synapse Analytics, and taking the batch.
Yeah, if I take a Azure, Databricks, so will it cover Spark as well?
Yes. Now, can you see
Okay,
a
then.
demo video? They kept a demo video now. Can you see in the Zoom chat, everyone? Can you see in the Zoom chat now?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Demo
yes.
video. If anyone missed yesterday's session, like yesterday and day before yesterday, we had a session. So you can just go through that introductory session, right? Yes. Today, actually, we are entered into the technical part. Okay. So fine. If I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I'm signing off for now. Meet you tomorrow, same time at
Yeah.
6, same link.
So Databricks, is there any morning batch?
No.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
The course content also is there. You can just copy that link also.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Fine. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.